So it's the next morning, and as you can hear, a lot of the cars are already on the way, a lot of the trucks are on the way, and we try to find a few motorbikes now. By the way, it's 4 a.m. Okay, should be alright. Bags are closed. Time to leave the Dakar camp, because now they really clean up everything here. This is just incredible here. Look at this, hey. Prince Khalid already left with the helicopter together with Martin. How can I leave this camp? It's a good question. Can I sneak out at the side, or is this not possible? This is just crazy. Can I go out there? Can I go out there, or no?
You go this way.
Yes.
On the left.
Okay.
Exit assistance.
Okay. Thank you.
You can go this way.
Okay. Exit assistance. Sounds good. Somewhere here. I think it's there, isn't it? Hi.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Impeccable. Tu fais le tour?
Je ne parle pas français.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome in Morocco.
Yeah.
Don't you in Morocco?
I was last 24 in Morocco.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. You're from Morocco. Very good.
Work in the team BBR.
Okay, very cool. Amazing.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, cool. I think I should follow this truck there. This looks like my exit here. Woo. Incredible place, eh? Oh man, I'm the luckiest person alive to be invited by Prince Khalid to come to the Dakar camp again, eh? How is this possible? This over there is the White Mountain, basically. It's on Google. I saw it before in Bisha. And yesterday I took the picture with the helicopters in front of it. It looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely need a fuel station because both of my tanks are empty. The logistics behind this event are insane. I mean, if you just watch the videos, you have no idea. All of the trucks, everything has to go now to the next camp. The next camp is almost 900 kilometers away from here. So it's ridiculous. That's why Martin was like, do you want to follow the route? And like, I was like, the distances are just insane. I don't see myself riding 900 kilometers in one day. And imagine the Dakar riders, they have a stage of 360 kilometers on the road, and after that they have 300 something kilometers race off-road, and then they have another 280 or so kilometers on the road to get to the next camp. So it's absolutely insane, really. My biggest respect, eh? Wow. So there's a fuel station. So this is where we go first. I'm gonna turn here. I wanted to see the roundabout once more. Look at this, hey. This is incredible. They made these camel figures that walk through the gate. This is really lovely. Waterfalls, how cool is that? You're always allowed to turn right on red in Saudi Arabia, but you have to stop and then you can just continue. Fuel, so it's not completely useless to ride the detour. That's good. Hello. Full. So 25, huh? Okay. شكرا. Okay, let's go. Getting fuel is still the cheapest thing you can do here. So, here we are. This is where I have to go. I never did this so far, booking a hotel and then not coming back for the night. But yeah. So I reached my hotel. I'm back in Al Baha after I left Bisha, where the Dakar took place. They continued today almost to Yanbu. Not yet, but a town which is pretty close to Yanbu. So for me it doesn't make sense to go all the way up to follow them. So I will stay here. I'm in Al Baha, and tomorrow I will explore the south a little bit. But yeah, that was it for the Dakar for me. I think it was an amazing experience, especially that I was invited by Prince Khalid. I would have never thought that. I hope you like the impressions of the Dakar as much as I did. I tried to film a little bit, but obviously I did not film a lot in the tent. I just took one picture of the dinner because I think it's just disrespectful. But yeah, that was it for today.